Hey, what's going on, Dog Pound? So today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to talk about a grill. A lot of you guys have inquired about this little grill you always see in the background, so I tell you what, let's talk about it today. This right here is M-Grill's M16. It's a steak cooker. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Alright guys, so disclaimer, I don't work for M-Grills. I'm not paid by M-Grills. M-Grills doesn't sponsor my channel. I have no association or affiliation with M-Grills other than I happen to own a cooker that they built. I love this cooker, so everything that I say about this cooker, all my opinions or whatever, that's going to be solely my opinions, and it's going to be truthful. I'm not going to make up anything. I'm going to tell you how it is. So with that in mind, let's get started. Alright guys, so as I said in my intro, we're going to talk about the M-Grill's M16. This was a collaborative effort between M-Grills and Pancho and Lefty Steaks Incorporated, who were the 2016 Steak Cooking Association World Champions. These guys know how to grill some steaks, guys, so the knowledge that they have was vital in the design that went into this grill. The M16 was designed from the ground up to be the ultimate competition charcoal grill. This grill features a three-piece design that can easily be broken down for mobility. It's fully welded construction from 12-gauge steel. The M16 can be used in a tabletop configuration, or it can be used with the heavy-duty competition cart. It comes standard with a set of grill grates that covers the entire cooking surface as well. The M16 has a 4-draft system for ultimate temperature control. Guys, the lid on this thing weighs 28 pounds. It's 20 by 28 inches wide by 19 1/4 inches long, including the handle, and it's 10 1/2 inches high. The bottom side total dimensions are 26 3/4 inches wide, including the handle, 16 inches in length, 10 inches in height, and has a total weight of 39 pounds. This griller has a removable coal basket, and the coal basket is 17 1/4 inches wide by 12 inches in length and 3 1/2 inches high. The coal basket itself weighs 9 pounds. It's got a removable ash pan in it as well. The ash pan is 15 1/2 inches wide by 8 1/2 inches in length by 1 1/2 inches high. And the ash pan itself weighs 2 pounds. So what are some of the things that I like about the M16? Well, the M16 comes up to cooking temperature relatively easy and pretty fast. A real solid bonus for me with this grill is that it comes with a full set of grill grates. And if you guys don't know about grill grates, I'm telling you, you're missing out. You need to check them out. I have the link down below so you can look them up. It's great that you can use this grill for a tabletop configuration, so when you're on the go somewhere, you can easily pop this thing up on a table and get your grill going. They thought out a good design here because they actually have a raised charcoal basket which promotes good airflow, which means you're going to have a good clean burn. And the fact that they have an ash pan in it makes for an easy cleanup. Quick and easy, guys, quick and easy. I also love the fact that you have dual air vents on the top side and the bottom side of this grill, so again, you can really control the airflow and control your temperatures through the cook. So some things that I think that M-Grills has potential opportunities for improvement are, on my particular design, I really don't like the mobility on the wheels. They have little casters on them that don't roll very easily, so it's kind of a pain to move this thing around. Again, they've upgraded a lot of their designs, and so I'm speaking of this M-Grills that I picked up last year. Another opportunity I think is to lighten it. I don't really know how you really could lighten it, but the thing is pretty heavy. It's not as mobile as, say, a Weber kettle or a Weber Smoky Mountain or something like that that you might want to grill on. This thing is a beast, man. It's heavy duty. It's solid construction. So it's not as easy to just lug around as you would, like I said, a kettle. Another thing that I would hope for in future design upgrades is positive location for the grill grates. I've noticed on mine that sometimes if you are a little off on the placement of the grill grates inside the grill, the lid doesn't close as smoothly as it should, and it kind of hangs up. So I found on mine, I have to make sure I pull the grill grates to the forward and over to the right. And once I have them in that positive location, the lid closes easily like it's supposed to. So my overall thoughts on the M16 is this is a fantastic grill to own. Whether you're on a steak cooking association, circuit, or whether you're a backyard griller or whatever, man, this thing is awesome. It cooks some great steaks. You can cook other things on it: pork chops, fajitas, seafood, kebabs, whatever you want to put on it, you can put on this thing, and it cooks it efficiently. It's just a great grill. I love this thing. So if you haven't even heard of M-Grill's M16, I'm telling you guys, check out their website. I'll have it down there in the links, and you can go look it up, and you can look at the grills that they have. You can look at the smokers that they have, and you can see their designs. I think you'll be pretty impressed with what you see there. Alright guys, so to get this thing put back together, what you have right here is just the cart. You got two flanges here. The flanges that are on the bottom side are going to fit right into here and here and slide it in. So just like that, you've got the bottom on. Okay, so next up we're going to insert the ash pan. Just lays in the bottom. So now we've got our bottom assembled onto the cart, we've got our ash pan, we've got our charcoal basket. When we get ready to assemble the top, you'll see these sleeves. They're on the back of the lid, and they're going to go right onto these dowels. There's one dowel right here, and the second dowel is right there. So you'll put the sleeves on the lid over to here and slide over here to get it in place. Alright guys, so we're going to put the lid on, and again we're going to align these holes here, these sleeves, with the dowel pins and slide it this way. Just like that. So where did I end up getting this grill? Funny story. A friend of mine, Mark Avalos, who I profiled in one of my earlier videos when I went to SLAB Barbecue. I'll put the link in up there so you guys can check that interview out if you didn't see it. But anyway, Mark Avalos gave me a call and said, hey dude, we're having a steak cooking class at my restaurant. You should probably come check it out. We're going to have these guys, Pancho and Lefty, who are steak cooking champions. They're going to be out here, and we're just going to have a good time and drink some beer and cook some steaks. And so, dude, I'm in. So went out there and hung out with these guys, and man, they're great guys. If you don't know about Pancho and Lefty, I'll put a link in for those guys too, so you can go check them out. But yeah, man, we had a great time. Went out there, we learned their methods and how they cook steaks for the steak cooking circuit and all of that, and we just had a good time, man. And they had Travis out there from M Grills, who supplied all the grills that everybody was cooking on, and he had the M16 model there, so we were cooking on the model, and man, I loved it. So added to my collection, and that's how I got it home. So guys, I'm going to show you something pretty cool. You know, as I mentioned before, I went out to SLAB Barbecue with my buddy Mark Avalos and hung out with him and Pancho and Lefty and learned some of their tricks to steak cooking or whatever. And as I said, Travis was there from M Grills, and you already know the M16 that I bought, but man, let me show you a little surprise that he gave us just for coming out and attending the class, and this thing is pretty cool. Okay guys, what I've got here, that when we went to that class, man, they gave us this little portable grill. It's another portable that M Grills makes, and it's called the C4. So as you can see here, it's got their logo here on the side for C4, name of this portable grill. And yeah, it kind of looks like an ammo can, right? Old military ammo can. But it's much more heavy duty, man. You got your stainless steel handle here on the top. It's got the M Grills logo there drilled in, and Got a little clasp here for locking it down. And guys, before I open it, I've got to admit to you, I haven't even used this thing yet, but I just thought it would be cool to show you. So you got your cooking grate here, and they gave us some Pancho and Lefty steak seasoning. And in fact, we're going to use this in a little bit. I'm going to fire up that M16 grill. Got some rib cap steaks we're going to put on. We'll use this. And down here you got your fire grate grill. Put your charcoal on. So it's got a little space under there. It's got a little ledge there, so you got some air underneath there. And basically, you can just put this thing on the tabletop. You know, I would put it on some bricks or something, because you know it's going to get hot underneath there. But you could put it on a tabletop. You could put it on the ground somewhere if you're out at the beach, or you know, whatever application you want to use it for, man. You can use it. So I just thought that was a pretty cool little gift, man, that they gave us just for attending their steak class and taking a look at the M Grills models that they had there. So there you have it, M Grill C4, guys. So I think enough about talking about it. Let's be about it, right? So tell you what, I got some ribeye cap steaks that I need to cook anyway. So why don't we fire this bad boy up and grill some steaks? What do you say? Let's do it. Alrighty, guys. So what we have here, we've got some rib cap steaks that we're gonna do up. So I'm just gonna basically get some oil on them, and then we're gonna season them up. I apologize, it is pretty windy here today, but we're still gonna make it happen, right? Alright, so we got our rib cap steak seasoned up. We're going to let them hang out. We're going to get the grill fired up, and I'll see you guys in a minute. guys, so there's our steak, and let's cut into it. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's my M16 from M Grills. It's a very good grill to have, guys, and you saw how well it cooks. So, you know, hey, if you're interested in it, go check out M Grills website. I'll link it down below. And again, hey, if you like what you saw here, give me that thumbs up, like the video. If you're not a part of the Dog Pound, click the logo down there and subscribe, man. Alright, Dog Pound, y'all take it easy. Grill on. I'm at